So now we're on Kuftet Zayin and Aleph. So that pasuk is extra, and therefore it's coming to teach me new halachas regarding other food implements. Kivan the Yaseru.
Is that today's daf, by the way?
No, today's blood is 117, and we're doing 116, half of 116. So we're just going to be half a blot off tomorrow. So tomorrow, well, I'll try to do the same thing tomorrow. We'll try to be maybe just a blot behind.
What time are we learning?
Tomorrow is 118, and we're supposed to start Bava Basra on Wednesday. So we'll start Bava Basra on Wednesday. Or Kuf Yutes, I think we might be Thursday. We might luck out.
What time are we learning tomorrow?
Okay. Tomorrow, I suggest we learn at 6 o'clock?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, 6 o'clock, Daf. And then the Tzurba at 8:30. We're going to be finishing volume 15, Kriya Shema Lamita, and we're going to start Hilchos Shabbos tomorrow, volume 16. I assume everybody has the volumes that they need.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's continue. Kivan the Yaseru. So Shadya, we add another lav if you did Rechaim Varecha. Abal Hacha, by Korban Pesach, Ki im Tzliach Lav Yaseru. It's not extra, and the boiler, at the time we need it. B'shah sheyesh no b'kum echel tzli. When does all of these lavim apply? Only at the time when you're supposed to eat it. At night, when there's mitzvahs achilas haPesach, then yesh no b'val toichel no. Aval b'shah she'en b'mokum echel tzli, like prior to the night, ain't b'val toichel no. So, for example, if you ate it in the afternoon, you don't get malchus for eating it raw. Only if you eat it at night. Tanya Kavos Rav Yehuda. Chaval zug shel sforim. You took scissors that belong to a barber, otsemet shel poros, or a yoke for oxen that 2 oxen put their head in. Chayv shtayim. You chayv 2. Zebatz from the zebatz. You took one yoke, one of the yokes, or one of the sides of the scissors. Ein chayv lachas. Tanya Yidich. Chaval zug shel saporim v'tzemet shel poros. If you took as a mashkon scissors or a yoke, yachal lo yechayv lachas. I might think you'll be chayv 1. Talmud lomer lo yachvol rechaim v'rochav. Ma rechaim v'rochav shem miyuchadim. Yeah, it's unique, but shnei kelim, each one. And yet they do one malacha, yet you're still chayv al zeb ifnei atzmo, val zeb ifnei atzmo. I've called for him shnei kelim, even a pair of scissors, because each side of the scissors is a clean itself. Oisim lachachas, even though they do one more, chayv al zeb ifnei atzmo, val zeb ifnei atzmo. Ahu gavra the chaval sakina de ashkavte mechavre. A person took a shchita knife as a mashko. Osla kameda bayim. Amar zillah hadre. You got to return it. This is how he makes his living. This is oichel nefesh. Davle klisha oisim boichel nefesh. Can't take it as a mashko. V'takum bedin Allah. Ask him how much you owe him, and he'll pay. Rav Amar lo yitzrach l'meik bedin Allah. Since he already has the knife, he can demand. The person can demand payment up until its value. For example, somebody grabs for repayment. Aren't you allowed to grab up until the value of what is owed? Maishno, why is this different from the case? Mani easy to akli chushul benardo. There were these goats that ate barley. The owners of the barley came, grabbed the goats, the katoin tuva. and he wanted the goats, and he claimed a big amount. Omar Avuda Shmuel, he was the dayan there. Yochel Eton Akadei Dmein. He can demand up until the value of the barley. Hasum lav midi davde l'shule l'guriu. Goats are not something that normally are rented out. So if he holds on to them, he has a schus to hold on to him. Hacha midi davde l'shule l'guriu. There are other things that are rented out normally. So then, if you're holding on to them, you're not neman that without some kind of proof that it belongs to you. Items that are commonly rented out. The Omar, a person who was holding on to them, says, "L'kuchinei, I bought these." Eino neman, because he could always be he borrowed it or rented it. He has to bring proof. The Rabba Leslie Haisvar, does Rava not accept that? But Rava afik zuga the sarvel of the safet I got it to be asme. Rava removed scissors that were used to cut wool from the estate of Yisomim, because Dvar Masurin Lashir Laskir. It wasn't clear to belong to them because maybe they rented it. Armlacha Rava I Nami, Kivan de Mifkama, a shchita knife can get chipped. Kapti inchli vamushli. They don't loan it out. So if he had it, the guy who's machzik book can demand the full payment. Okay, very good. So finished. We got to the last parak, Abayis Valiyah. We'll try to do a little bit of tomorrow's blot, and then we'll see if we have till Thursday, because Kuf Yud Tes. I think tonight was Kuf Yud Zion, so I think Tuesday will be Kuf Yud Ches, and Wednesday will be Kuf Yud Tes. We don't have to start Baba Basra until Thursday. What we'll try to do, we still have a blot to go in Baba Kama.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll have time to finish Bava Metziah. And we'll do the blot of Bava Kama as well. We'll see.
Okay, great.
All right.
Okay. Everyone is invited. Kenny Alter called me.